Hello everyone, welcome back to Playwright from Zero to Hero. I'm your instructor Mahesh Patil. In this lesson, I will guide you through the process of installing the Playwright framework from scratch. You have two options for installation. You can just create a new folder and set up a Playwright as an independent project, or you can install Playwright into an existing folder. For this lesson, we will focus on setting up Playwright as an independent project. So for that, I'll just create a new folder on my desktop, or I'll just go to JS Basics. Here I'll create a new folder and I will name it as something called demo. And from the Visual Studio, I will try to open this thing. How you can do it? Just go to File, click on Open Folder, go to Desktop, and go to that folder and click on Select Folder. Now you see it got imported. Now go to the terminal inside Visual Studio, new terminal, and uh, type npm init playwright at latest. What this will do, at latest flag, this will ensure you install the latest playwright version. After you run this command, wait, just click on yes. So following prompts will show as you see. You which language you want to choose, TypeScript or Play or JavaScript. Since there is no much difference between TypeScript and JavaScript, let me choose the default TypeScript. Click on enter. Again, use the default test folder. Again, click on enter. Skip GitHub workflow actions. Click on enter. Now click on again enter. Yes. So wait, installation is in progress. Just wait for it to complete. So Playwright will now download and install the necessary browsers like Firefox, WebKit, Safari, and Chrome. And it will create the folder structure which you can see at the left section here. So I think around 34% is completed. Let's wait. So it is in still progress. 75% is completed. You can see it got completed now. Let me explain you the folder structures. So this node underscore modules contains all the dependencies include like that contain all the dependencies including playwright. If you just click on here, you can see it contains all the dependencies including the playwrights. And this folder is your test files includes like if you just click on this include example spec.txt, so where you write your script. So this is where you write your script. So this is the test folder. Apart from that, you also have this test hyphen example contains additional playwright example for reference, not used actually in actual test, or you can delete if you want. I'm deleting here. Okay. Next thing is git ignore automatically exclude this, so automatically excludes unnecessary files like test results, playwright report, or version like from the versions controls. The next is if you see package.json and package hyphen lock.json. So package.json, it contains all the your project list details. like scripts, dependencies, all those things. And package lock.json locks the dependency version to prevent the compatibility. So this locks dependency versions to prevent compatibility issues. You see. So in order to prevent, so it will lock the dependency versions. You can see all the versions versioning here. And the last is playwright.config.ts. This is the main configuration file for the playwright. This includes default settings with nodes for customizations. If you see here. Okay. So with now the framework is ready to use. We will dive into its capabilities in the next lesson. We will explore running tests, interacting with elements, debugging, and more. See you in the next class.